Welcome to Cambridge tutorial. Today I'll be solving Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint exam question in sciences, and the paper is paper 1 and the exam is April 2025. Okay, let's dive into the questions. The diagram shows the pathway of water moving through a plant. Okay, water from the soil moving through the plant and escape from the leaf. Okay, let's look at the questions. Describe how water has entered the plant. Water is being absorbed by the root hair. So water is being absorbed by the root head. Okay, these are absorbed by the root hair, or you say in brackets cell. Alright, the next question, write down the name of other substance that enters the plant with the water. Mineral salt. You can say mineral salt. Mineral salt. So not only water is being absorbed, mineral salt is also absorbed. Complete the sentence. Water is lost from the plant through organs called the leaf. The leaf. And this process is called transpiration. Transpiration. The process is called transpiration. Oliver react powder calcium carbonate with dilute acid. The diagram shows one of the pieces of equipment Oliver uses. Okay, this equipment is called a conical flask. A conical flask. A conical flask. Okay, Oliver record the mass of the reactant before putting them into equipment A. The total mass of the reactant is the same as the total mass of the product. Explain why. In a chemical reaction, mass is always conserved. Okay, you can say that mass is conserved. Is conserved in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction. So in every chemical reaction, the mass of the product is always equal to the mass of the reactant. Okay, the mass of equipment A and the reactant is more than the mass of equipment B and its contents after the reaction. Explain why. The evaporated gas reduces the mass of the content after reaction. The evaporated mass, the evaporated gas, because gas is evaporated during the reaction. The evaporated gas reduces the mass of equipment E. Equipment A after reaction. After reaction. That's good. Oliver repeat the experiments using large piece of calcium carbonate and not powder. Write down how the rate of the reaction is different using large piece. The rate of reaction is reduced. Is increased, not reduced, because I'm using a large piece of calcium carbonate. Okay, the rate of reaction is reduced. Rate of reaction is reduce or decreases, is decreased or it is reduced due to large surface area of the calcium carbonate, because it's no longer a powder of the calcium carbonate. So when it's powder, the rate of chemical reaction will increase. But when it's a large lump of calcium carbonate, the rate of chemical reaction is reduced. Mike put water on his hand. The water evaporates and his hand feel cool. Explain these cooling effects caused by evaporation. Use idea of particles. As the water gets to the hand, the particle gain heat energy. The particles of water gains heat energy from the hand. Now the heated particle evaporates. The heated particles. Okay, the heated particles evaporate from the hand, evaporate from the hand, taking away heat energy. Taking away heat energy from the hand. From the hand, thereby causing the hand to cool. Causing the hand to cool. Thereby causing the hand to cool. This question is about ionic bonding. Magnesium oxide has ionic bonding between a magnesium ion and an oxide ion. Look at the model of the structure of magnesium oxide. Okay, the structure of magnesium oxide has ionic bond. Describe what is meant by ionic bond. The electrostatic attraction. Ionic bond is the electrostatic attraction between positive and negative charge. Between positive and negative charge. Positive and negative charge or charges. Describe how a magnesium atom makes a magnesium ion and how an oxygen atom makes oxygen ion. When you look at both of them, there are two positive charge here and another two positive charge here. That means that for a magnesium atom to become a magnesium, from a magnesium atom to become a magnesium ion, it means that it will lose two electrons. Now, for an oxygen to become oxygen ion, this is negative charge, negative charge, it means that it will gain two electrons. Ionic bond is not made between two iodide ions. Explain why. Because they are both negative charge. Because they are both negative charge. Ionic bond is formed between a positive and a negative charge. So iodide ion are the ions, two iodide ions are both negatively charged. This question is about tectonic plates. Okay, Oliver makes a model to demonstrate what happened at the boundary of tectonic plate. Oliver pours cool syrup. Okay, this is the syrup, and this is the candle, and this biscuit act like a plate. Okay, draw a straight line to match each part of the model to the part of the earth it represents. The biscuit represent the cross. Yes, the candle represents the core, and the syrup represents the mantle. The syrup represents the mantle. Suggest one safety risk in Oliver's practical. Okay, the syrup may splash into his eyes. The syrup, the hot syrup, not the syrup because it's hot this time around. The hot syrup may splash into his eyes. Into his eyes. How Oliver controls the risks, okay, by wearing the eye goggle. You can to prevent wearing the eye goggles. Okay. After a few minutes, the biscuits start to move. Describe the movement of the biscuit and explain why they move. You may draw diagram to okay. Description: the biscuit moves apart. And why do they move apart? The conventional current of the hot syrup moves the biscuit apart. Conventional current of hot syrup moves the biscuit apart.